Good morning, students. I'm back again with another session of Chapter 10 Money. Yes, we are going to continue the revision session. In the previous session, I taught you how to find the total amount and how to add the money. How to add money. Today's session, we will discuss the subtraction of money. Okay? So, I have a question written here. Let's read it out and solve it. Find the difference between rupees 500 and rupees 212 and 50 paise. I repeat the question. Find the difference. Difference means what? You have to find the gap between rupees 500 and rupees 212 and 50 paise. So let us write it down and subtract. Difference means you have to subtract both the numbers. Now, first, what will I write? Rupees and paise. What is the first amount? Rupees 500. So, this will go up and this 212 being the smaller one will go under it. Okay? So, rupees 500 and 00 paise. Just a second. I wanted to write it a little bigger so that you can all see it clearly. And the other one is 212 rupees and 50 paise. So, how we will arrange? We will write down 500 and paise and then 212 rupees and 50 paise. Okay? What children do? They do write like this: 500, 00, 212, 50 and then they subtract. This is absolutely wrong. Okay, don't do that. Write down the total amount together. 500 है तो पूरा एक साथ आएगा और ये वाला amount भी पूरा एक साथ आएगा. Now we will put the sign of subtraction and start subtracting. Okay. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. The next is 0 minus 5. Is it possible? No. So what we will do? We will borrow. But can we borrow from 0? No. So let's move on to the next number. This is also a 0. We cannot borrow from 0. So we will move on to the next number. This is 5. What will 5 do now? 5 will become 4. This will give borrow to the 0. It will become 10. But this 0 is also asking for borrow. So what will be happen now? This will again become 9 and this will become 10. फिर से again it has to borrow. So again this will become 9 and this will become 10. Did you understand? Now this 0 has got the borrow. Has borrowed 1 from this 5 and it has become 10. Now open 5 fingers, count before 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So what can I write here? 5. Now again the next one is 9 minus 2. So open 2 fingers, count before 9. 8, 7. Again open 1 finger, count before 9. 8. Okay, again open 2 fingers, count before 4. 3, 2. What is the answer that I got? Rupees 287 and 50 paise. So we write down here, answer is rupees 287 and 50 paise. Okay. So let's move on to the next question now. I hope you understood this. So now I have written question number 2. Let's read it. I have rupees 568 rupees and 75 paise and my sister has 235 rupees and 50 paise. Who has more money and by how much? So who has got more money? So first we will compare the amounts and then we will decide who has more money, whether I have it or my sister. Let's see. Rupees 568.75, and on the other hand I have 235 rupees and 50 paise. So who has more money? Naturally 500 is greater than 235 rupees, correct? 568 rupees and 75 paise is greater than 235 rupees and 50 paise. So I have more money. Okay, more money. Then by how much? Now it is asking how much, kitna zyada. So kitna zyada, so for that what we will do? We will subtract. So let us write it down. We write down your rupees and your paisa. So 568 rupees and 75 paise and 235 rupees 50 paise. Did you understand this? Yes? Naturally, the bigger amount will go up and the smaller amount will go down. So now let us subtract with the minus sign. Start subtracting. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, the subtraction fact says 0. If 0 is subtracted from any number, you will get the same number. Again, 7 minus 5. Open 5 fingers, count before 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So what will I write here? 2. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Yeah. This is 5 and this is 2. Okay, next is 8 minus 5. So open 5 fingers, count before 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next is 6 minus 3. Open 3 fingers, count before 6. 5, 4, 3. Again, 5 minus 2. So open 2 fingers, count before 5. 4, 3. What is the answer that you get? 333 rupees and 25 paise. So I have more money. 5 rupees 3. So what can you write? I have this much money more. So what will you write? In the end, I have rupees 333 rupees and 25 paise more than my sister. Okay, that's it. So that's all for subtraction of money. Keep practicing, keep revising. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another session.